Thanks for stopping by. Hey, meathead, get the fuck out of my way, tard. Hey, hey. What are you doing? I'm trying to do something here, bud. Nosy shit. Come on now. You gonna move or what, fucker? About time. Fuck. Alright. That's one of my helpers, Apollo. Shelby's floating around somewhere. Okay. Well, today it's a gl450 air ride leveling sensor. Got my jack and my jack stand. My jack was creaking, so I put the jack stand underneath it. Especially because my big ass is underneath this motherfucker. And it's gonna squash my ass too. Oh shit. Well, like I said before, shits. What, nosy? Get fucked hard. Alright. I gotta find all my shit now. Okay, there it is. This is the passenger side rear. And if you look over here, that is driver's side rear. You jack up one side and you can get to both of them pretty easy. I gotta take that wheel off because something's wrong with the fucking caliper. So that's something else. But anyway, that's where it's at, and the procedure is pretty damn simple. I can't remember. I think it's a 9, but anyway, it's 8 or 9. Ouch. Yeah, it's an 8. And the nut is a God damn it, I just did it yesterday. 10 millimeter. And these little bolts here, I want to say are 7s. They might be fucking 8s. I can't remember. Yeah, I think they're 7s. But that's pretty much it. Just take them off like you did the front ones, like I just showed you. In case you didn't do the front ones, put your 8 there and your 10 there, because the 8's got to hold it. What the fuck? That's 9. What do I keep? Fucking shit. Yeah, no, I'm not organized. What's the shit say? But you get the point, because I can't do it. Hold your hand, hold it, and do this too. Put your 8 there, and you put your 10 there. You hold the 8 and you ratchet the 10 until it comes loose. And then you just take your 8 on here. Pretty sure it's an 8. And you just unscrew them like so. But you gotta move this out of the way to get to that. You gotta move this arm out of the way first. Then you can get these two. And do the same thing on both sides and you're done. Pretty simple. Alright, now that you got it off, a little side note. This little bracket right here that's hooked to this arm for this has a tendency to come loose. So it would be jiggly, and that's what also make it say malfunction. So that's not the point of this. The point is, get it. Like I did the front, I busted them. These I've never touched, moving them around or nothing. So you need to take a screwdriver, get it in the view here, with a small tip, and slightly, come on, go up underneath there just like that, and work your way over that little hump right there. See what I mean? You gotta do that real gently or you'll pop this. And there's one on each side. You You just pull that one off, and then you put everything back together, and you're done. If you happen to break that there, just take some zip ties, like I did the front, run it through the wire, and zip tie it around the sensor, and you're fine. Other than that, it's easy.